Yo, there's so many different signs that a person can watch and kind of figure out what a person is saying. You ain't got to make no words, just making noise or making a sign. Back in the days, the thug niggas used to pop their head like this, pointing at a person instead of pointing at a person like this, pointing at that person, or telling the person what it is. You did your head movement like this, like that, like you shaking your head like that, and then you got motherfuckers who make all sorts of signs, like signs to put up and tell you which way to go, which lane to stay in, when to stop by the color of the lights and all that. If you ignore that sign, you mess up your car or you get hit by a car. Then there's other signs where motherfucker let you know if you that horny type looking for a hooker on the corner. If she don't come up to your car, she shake her ass or she catch eye contact and tell you to pull over. Or ask you if you looking for a date, or they'll shake that ass, however. Then you got these faggot motherfuckers. How you know when a faggot is around? You ever heard that wind hitting, like you ever take a bottle and blow air across that bottle top and make that noise, whoo, make that whistling noise? Faggot the same way. I'm not looking for no faggot, not asking for no faggot. But the motherfuckers definitely give you a sign that they nearby when they walking nearby your house. And it could be a light wind or a strong wind, and they make that asshole make that sound. Whoo! That's when you know when them punk motherfuckers nearby. Females, when they make that sign, when they sexy ass coming by, it make a different sound, like a strong whistling sound, like you boiling tea. Inside, make it make that type of sound. They pussy be whistling. You know that pussy clean and shit. They looking for some dick. But be careful. Some of these motherfucking niggas got that motherfucking fucked up sign. Be thinking that's a motherfucking female and be a motherfucking nigga on the low. Be careful with that. I got jokes. You dig?